Welcome, I'm Dr. Wendy Schofer, and I too said, but I'm a physician, not an entrepreneur, a whole lot of times.
After 20 years in the academic trenches, without any business experience, without any business training, I left academia to start my own private practice.
Every professional needs a website.
3 things you need to do before any negotiation.
Been fortunate to reach 6 figures within our first 6 months.
An ER doctor and serial entrepreneur with over 20 successful exits in healthcare.
You can't afford not to know what the ABCs of value-based care are.
In this talk, I invite you to change your mind and change your life.
In 2022, I sold the group practice that I built from the ground up to investors.
Are you ready to discover the secret to turn your medical device ideas into reality?
I was able to achieve financial freedom and freedom to work from anywhere, anytime.
My lecture will be creating and pivoting your ideal business.
I'm a pediatrician, and I never pursued any kind of formal business education because, after all, I'm a doctor. But then I realized that didn't mean I had to just be a doctor.
Number 1, why now is the perfect time to start your own practice.
Let me share my experience with you as I talk about how to start an e-commerce business.
Have you ever wondered why some people always seem to be successful entrepreneurs?
I work at a Silicon Valley Series B EHR company and have a unique vantage point on the investment and lending landscape.
You need to know how to position your business for value-based care to succeed in the next decade and beyond.
I'll share with you my path to understanding some of the things that were holding me back.
We're also going to talk about what you can do to protect yourself when the adversary attempts to manipulate your emotions and your decision making.
We're also going to talk about ditching some of those nasty habits that we picked up along the way in medicine, because my entrepreneurial friend, you don't need them anymore.